If you've added a bunch of transitions in CapCut PC and now want to remove them all at once, this video will show you the fastest way to do it. This is super useful if you want a cleaner edit, if the transitions feel too distracting, or if you just want to start fresh without manually deleting each one by one. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open your project in CapCut PC and make sure your timeline is loaded with the clips you want to edit. Once your project is open, look at the timeline and find any transition icon between two clips. These little icons show where a transition has been applied, and you can click on any one of them to open the transition settings. After clicking the transition icon, CapCut will show you the transition options for that clip pair. Now, instead of choosing a different transition, look for the option that says None. Select None to clear out that transition setting. This tells CapCut that you do not want any transition applied there. Now here's the important part. Once None is selected, click Apply to All. This is what removes the transition from every clip at once. Instead of only changing the one transition you clicked, CapCut will update the entire project and remove the transitions across the timeline in one step. This saves a ton of time, especially on longer edits with lots of clips. If you don't see the change right away, just take a quick look through your timeline to confirm the transition icons are gone. That means the transitions have been removed successfully. And that's it. You've now removed all transitions you applied at once in CapCut PC without having to delete them manually. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy CapCut editing guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.